just docked in Hawaii, in Kauai, Hawaii. We are getting off in a few minutes to go get our car rental. We're going to be exploring the island today, and then I think around 5 o'clock we have a luau to go to, so I'm excited for that. We just got off. I almost fell. Just got off the ship. This is what the port looks like here in Kauai. Oh, we got somebody dancing Hawaiian over here. Aloha, thank you so much.
Hello.
Oh, Kauai loves you. Thank you. Mahalo.
Hawaii loves you.
So as soon as we got out of the terminal, we made a right over to the front gate. If you want to catch a shuttle, a free shuttle to the airport to pick up your car rental, when you walk out of the terminal, you have to turn left because all the shuttles and taxis are waiting up at the back of the terminal. I'll show you guys. This is where you walk out. You're gonna see that fence right there, and you're gonna make a left. Otherwise, you can make a right and walk to the shops and walk to the beach, or make a left and walk over here to where the shuttles and the taxis are at. Actually, that's the exit for that door. So that's the free shuttle that brought us here, and we are at the car rental place. Very nice and big. Alright, here we go. Our car rental for the day. We actually chose something different, and they offered us a red Camaro for the same price. So we took it. Why not, right? Check it out. Headed to the Waimea State Park. It is also known as the Grand Canyon of the Pacific. So we stopped here really quick to see what everybody's looking at, but we still have a little ways to get to the park. Alright, we're heading to another lookout before we get to the actual park. We see so many cars pulling out, so we're curious and we want to see what they're looking at. To the Little Grand Canyon of Kauai. It's 10 miles long, 1 mile wide, and 3,600 feet deep. And there's a bunch of chickens and roosters around here too. out there in the distance, and you could see a helicopter flying over them. So cool. So cool, so beautiful. Alright, so the parking fee to get into the Waimea State Park is $10 plus $5 per person. But once you get your little ticket here, you can put it on your dashboard and then you could go to any lookout within the Waimea State Park for the entire day. So it was $20 for us to park here, 10 for the car, 5 for each one of us, but we can go to any lookout here. As long as you have this on your dash, you're good. So we're at another little pullover and we've seen this little park right here with picnic tables, barbecue pits. So pretty. And there's a bigger one right over there. Ah, they even have a payphone. Alright, now we're gonna cross the street and see what these people are looking at. I think you could see the waterfalls from here really, really good. Alright, this picnic area is called Pu'u Kapele picnic area. We're going to the Nihiha viewpoint, canyon viewpoint, and then there's a trail that we probably won't go on today, but I might go take a look at it. It's so windy up here too. So we seen that trail from way up here, and I think it goes to a waterfall. I'm not sure, but it's a pretty far trail, or it's a pretty good distance out to the waterfall. We don't have the right shoes for it. Well, I do, but he doesn't. But I'm gonna go see how long the trail is, because if it's not too long, maybe we could just walk on it for a little bit. All right, so Waimea Canyon Trail one way, 1.8 miles, time 2 to 3 hours. So yeah, we can't do that because we have a luau tonight and we have to get back. But that's pretty cool. Maybe next time. I think this chicken wants to go home with us. She's ready to get in our car. You want to go with us? Want to go to California? Oh, there's two. They don't even like run away from me. Look, my foot's like right here. I'm so close. Hi, little chicken. All right, heading out to another little lookout, but somebody told us that there wasn't much to see, just a bunch of trees. And yeah, I'm glad there's no snakes here.
Maybe it's more like a sunset or something.
Maybe. I love the little trail though. I'm definitely not going into the bushes anymore because those welts are still there and they still itch. Okay, we got a nice little bench over here. And yep, she was right. Nothing but trees up here.
Oh, you know what? You can probably see the ocean really good in that.
All right, so we can't see anything but trees right here. However, there is an island way out in the distance over there, and that's what we could see from here on a clear day. This is the name of the island. Nihiha, I think that's what the name of it is. Well, that's how it's pronounced. I don't know how it's pronounced. my gosh. All right, this is the Kalalau lookout, the Kalalau Valley look. This is the last lookout, and then we're gonna head back down. No drones allowed. Good thing I don't know how to fly one, or even have one, huh? Yep, should be there. I haven't moved it. This one here, we were told it's a must-see lookout. So let's go check it out. That's the name of it. Kalalau lookout. I'm learning Hawaiian, okay? I'm learning Hawaiian.
Your house right here.
Yeah. Beautiful fern right here. All right, we found a little trail. We're gonna go down there and see what we see. Oh, it got cold up here. I'm not sure what the elevation is, but it's high. I left my sweater in the car too. Alright, so that's the little trail we took, and it only brought us out to the road that we drove in on. Now we have to walk to the parking lot and get our car. Check out the Poipu shoreline beach park. It's really cool. It has really cute little areas for the kids to go swimming in, and they say this is one of the nicest beaches in Kauai. This is very nice. That little area right over there is where like kids could play at. There's rocks right there. Keep them from going into the ocean. There's even chickens on the beach, you guys. This is so cool. Check out that turtle. Wow, so cool. Alright, this is a very, very nice area to come visit on a land vacation. Maybe stay here for a week or two. The beach is a little rough, but I like that area for the kids. They call it a kiddie pool. And yeah, the condos here, or whatever this is, I think it's like a resort. Very nice. You could see them right there behind me. Okay, we're walking back to the car because I think we have about another hour to drive to get to our luau destination. Hey, little chicken. And we still haven't gone swimming in the ocean. We've always been exploring, just driving around the island, getting to see a bunch of different things. So hopefully when we get back to Oahu, we're still going to be there for 2 more days. We can go swimming in the ocean. To the Sheraton where we will be watching the luau. So pretty here. Got a lava flow right here. This is my go-to drink when I'm in Hawaii. Love it.